Hi there. Today I am going to tell you about 10 quick tips. If you are into running, if you are a beginner, or if you are doing it for a long time, these 10 quick tips are definitely going to help you in the long run. So I am Dr. Rahul Bade, an orthopedic surgeon who is specialized in knee surgery. Tip number one is about, we all know about warm up, but what we forget is to cool down. Cool down is equally important. So once you have finished your running, jog for a while. Once you stop, then do some stretching exercises. So what will happen with this is it will strengthen your contracted muscles which you have contracted while running. It will improve their vascularity, it will decrease their soreness, and it will improve their healing. Next quick tip is about hydrating yourself. So remember that you should not overhydrate yourself and you should not dehydrate yourself. Always drink water mixed with electrolyte powders, because it's not only water or fluid you are losing, you're losing important electrolytes when you are sweating out. So replacement of these electrolytes is equally important. I would recommend in 1 liter of water you mix some electrolyte powder solution and take regular sleeps at regular intervals instead of drinking it in one go. Tip number 3 is about knowing your foot. Knowing the anatomy of your foot is important, because if you have that excessive foot pronation, or if the arch on the inner side of your foot is collapsing once you're putting weight on it, so these are the signs that you may have trouble in knee joint, hip joint, or ankle joint, because your body's dynamics are changing because of this excessive foot pronation. So tip to prevent this excessive foot pronation is with the use of sports shoes which are specially designed for running. What these shoes does is they will prevent excessive pronation of the foot. They will hold your foot into supination while you are running. If your foot arch is not getting controlled with the shoes, then I would recommend to go for an additional insoles. So these are the medial arch support insoles. They have got a bump on the inner side of the insoles, so you can just slide it into your shoes and use it. So this will definitely help you. This will also decrease the pain if you are having any knee problems or ankle problems with foot pronation. Next tip is about, we are all confused about which surface is best for you. So the options which we have is concrete roads, tar roads, grass roads, or running tracks. Running tracks are definitely the best, but it's not always possible. What I would recommend is to mix all these kind of surfaces. From here onwards, I'm going to tell you about quick tips about injuries which we see commonly in running. So the most important is shin splints, in which once you start running, the muscles which are attached on the back side of your leg, they start hurting. So you will have pain in the leg where the bone and soft tissue junction is there. So this can be easily treated with some rest, ice, and medications. If you are running for long, and if you are doing marathons and you have that pain in leg which is there persistent, or leg in the pain in foot, then you have to analyze your problem. These may be signs of early stress fractures, so you have to get an X-ray done and evaluate yourself. Next tip is about taking proper rest at proper intervals. So rest is important for your body to heal. I would recommend to take not run more than 4 days in a stretch in a week, and there should be some weekly breaks or monthly breaks. Do some other physical activities in that time so that your body heals properly. Last but not the least, your safety is first. So always run in safe areas. Make sure that you are visible to other public and other publics are visible to you. Avoid highways. If you are running on a road, you have to make sure that you are able to see the upcoming or oncoming traffic, rather than with the traffic you run against the traffic. So you will be in a position to save yourself if something mishappens. So these are the quick tips. I think I hope that you might have learned something out of it, and have a safe running. Thank you.